Jenna Ortega is a fast rising star in Hollywood, and it's thanks to these great roles in animated shows, thriller, horror flicks, and so much more. Jenna Ortega is name you need to get used to hearing because the talented young actor is starting to pop up everywhere. Despite being just 20 years old, Ortega has already impressed in a handful of movies and TV shows throughout her career, and 2022 is already all about her. Here is the list of 10 best movies and shows of Jenna Ortega. Number 10, Yes Day 2021. As a part of her rise of the fame, Jenna Ortega show up in a few Netflix originals. Among them was Yes Day, which is a family-friendly comedy based on children's books of the same name. The story focuses on a family during a day where the parents say yes to almost everything their kids want, leading to wacky adventures. While reviewing a mix, most critics still found time to praise Ortega's performance as a Katy Torres, the daughter of the family. Number 9, Studio 666 2022. 2022 has seen Ortega's become a modern-day scream queen. She had notable roles in the 3 separate horror films, with one of them being Studio 666. Unlike her other horror movies released in 2022, this had a comedic element to it. The horror film stars the Foo Fighters as themselves as they move into the haunted mansion to record a new album. Ortega appears as Sky Willow, a drummer who had an important connection to the house. It is a small role, but she makes the most of it. Number 8, The Babysitter Killer Queen 2020. Before breaking out with her 2022 horror roles, Jenna Ortega impressed viewers with her turn in The Babysitter Killer Queen, the sequel to the 2017 film directed by MCG. This only added to the absurd slasher aspect of the original. While protagonist Cole was mostly on his own in the first film, this time around he had help from Ortega's Hope Atwell, a new student at the school. Again, this was a case where viewers are sparking, but the Ortega was a highlight. Number 7, Scream 2022. Another recent arrival on Jenna Ortega's filmography is Scream, the 5th entry into the slasher franchise to receive the most consistently good reviews. Scream reunites the original film meant to try as a new copycat. Ghostface Killer to go after people with familiar connection to those in the franchise past. Ortega played Tara, who bucks the series trend to being the first victim in the opening scenes by the surviving and playing a part going forward, even her sister in the main final girl. She will be reprising the role to the upcoming Scream 6 sequel. Number 6, Insidious Chapter 2 2013. The Insidious franchise is actually one of the most impressive among horror films. Most of the entries were made with solid acclaim, including the sequel to the 2010 debut Insidious Chapter 2. The movie brought back the most original cast including Patrick Wilson and Rose Byrne. The series is boosted by horror master James Wong being in the director's chair, while seen as lesser than the original due to the lack of surprise. This still most worked. Jenna Ortega was still very young when this was released in had a small role as a girl named Annie. Number 5, X 2022. The trio of horror movies starring Jenna Ortega in 2022 is capped in the terms of rating by X, directed by T. West. This is just original film that pay homage to the slasher of the past, specifically the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. The plot follows a group of rent a home in rural Texas to make an adult movie only to be attacked by the owner of the property. Jenna Ortega signs a Lauren Days, the shy girl helping her boyfriend direct to the movie only to then choose to a star on it. Ortega delivered a masterful fight-in performance and a horror movie Scream for these ages. Number 4, The Fallout 2021. If there is any film to check out to get a real feel for how talented Jenna Ortega is an actor, The Fallout is initially premiered by South by West in the 2021 before debuting on HBO Max in early 2022 and rave review for the performance and the debuting writer-director Megan Park. The film focuses on 2 teenage girls who form a tragic bond after they hide in the bathroom together during a school shooting. Ortega and Maddie Jiggers both deliver heartbreaking performance, and the film is a fantastic but hard to watch multiple times due to the sad nature of it all. Number 3, You 2018 Present. Most people likely know Jenna Ortega from her role on You. The series began on Lifetime, but the struggle there only to find new life when it moved to the Netflix, become one of the streaming juggernaut most popular show and getting more seasons. Ortega joined the show in season 2 as Ellie Alves, the neighbor of the dangerous serial killer protagonist Joe. They form an interesting bond along with Ellie's sister Delia. Season 2 was arguably the best review of the show and helped launch Ortega's star status. Number 2. Jane the Virgin 2014-2019. When you consider that Jane the Virgin snapped 100 episodes, you would think that Awesome, who only appeared in a fewer than 30 installments, didn't play a major part. However, Jenna Ortega's run in the popular telenovela is actually pivotal to the story. Throughout the show, Ortega would appear as the young version of Jane. She did so more than any other actor who took on the role over the time is the key flashback sequences. Jane the Virgin won a slew award during its run and made Gina into a household name. Number 1. Wednesday 2022. After stealing the show as a supporting character in several movies and TV shows, Jenna Ortega got a major leading role with Wednesday and knocked it out of the park. Playing the titular character, Ortega has received rave reviews for her performance.